Model, 69-plate CITROEN Relay 35 Hvy L4H2 Ent Euro 6 spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 151,207 engine, 2,179 cc DW12 BLUEHDI 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect runs with a knock bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, electric windows, cruise control, sat-nav EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £8,325. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,